Hello and welcome to Richland Community Library's Craft of the Month. This month we're making a rag doll. Now I'm going to use some recycled t-shirt material. If you're using this, you don't need as many pieces. If you're using regular material or recycled sheets or anything like that, you're going to need a little bit more fabric to make this doll look poofy enough. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you'll also need some cotton balls, 3 to be exact, and scissors, just in case. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find 3 pieces of fabric that are similar in color. They can be a neutral color like white or tan. This is going to create the face and the body. So I'm going to get my 3 pieces here, and you're going to want them to be about 14 inches long-ish. They don't have to be exact. And you're going to want them to be about 1 inch wide. And you're going to lay it in this star or snowflake shape pattern, kind of like that. Once you have those down, you're going to find, if you're using t-shirt material, you're going to want to find 10 more pieces about 12 inches in length, or 12 to 14 inches in length. And if you're using regular thinner fabric, you're going to need at least 20 pieces to make this a little bit bulky. So I think I'm just going to use these pieces right here, and I can cut these right in half here. And you're going to start laying them to fill in these gaps right here, okay? Because we don't want a bunch of gaps. So let's continue to put them down. There. And again, you're going to want 10 pieces. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they don't have to be all the same color. It actually looks pretty nice if you do it in multiple different colors. And then, okay. And then we have 10 right here. Put that there. Put this here. So you should get a very full looking snowflake. Then the next thing you're going to want to do is take 1 cotton ball, place it in the center, and we're going to bring our hand up under, okay, and then we're going to flip it so that the white pieces that I put down are now on the top instead of the bottom. And we're just going to shape this into a head. This is why you want kind of wider pieces here at the top, because you can shape it. You can draw on this later if you want to make eyes or a nose and a mouth, however you want to do it. So we have a shape of the head right here, and you're going to try to hide the rest of this stuff as much as you can. It's a little difficult to hold on to it all, but I think you can do it. T-shirt material is kind of nice because you can stretch it over. Okay, I'm going to do one more time here. I'm going to pinch that in, bring this down. There we go. Now you're going to take an extra piece. If you have t-shirt, I kind of stretched it out so it made this cord. You're going to tie that right around the head. Make a good knot. And you can cut that off if you'd like. The next thing we're going to want to do is find 3 pieces that you can make them the same color as your base layer if you want, but really it can be any color. So maybe I think I'm going to use this stripy color. You're going to want 3 pieces about 12 inches long. And what we're going to do is tie it at one end and we're going to braid. This is going to become your arms for your doll. So let's make the arms with the little hands. Okay, you can cut it shorter if you want. There we go, short little hands. We're just going to braid, and if you don't remember how to braid, I'm going to go through it real quick for you. I'm going to tape this end down just so I don't have to hold on to it. Just makes it a little easier. And we're going to take one, bring it over to the middle, and then the other side, bring it to the middle. And you keep going back and forth with the side going over the middle. And you're going to make this about 8 inches long. Just enough to make some arms. All right, now we're going to tie this other end into a knot. I'm going to make it really tight, pull tight, and then cut off the extra. All right, so with these arms, here's our head. All right. With these arms, we're going to split the little dress here in half, whatever that looks like. We're going to open it up, spread this part out a little bit, okay? We're going to lay the arms right in the middle, just like that. And then we're going to add 2 cotton balls right below, okay? And we're going to flip this back down. Now you have the little skirt, you have the body, and you can make the body as small as you want. You can just squish those cotton balls up there. And I want you to take another extra piece, okay? Another extra piece. Could be the same piece you used if you had lots of extra on the outside. And you're gonna just tie. Now you can move this around if you want this to be more like the same color body. Bring the arms up, okay? Make that body, this is your time to move around the bottom part here. There we go. And we're just gonna tie it tight. All right, now with another piece of fabric, you can make a top. We're going to use this stripe for the top. And you can crisscross, crisscross, and crisscross in the back, crisscross, and you can tie that down. See if I can get it to tie. And then you have a little rag doll. Feel free to decorate the face, or maybe you want a little bonnet or a hat. You can dress it up however you want. I hope you enjoyed this craft of the month, and I'll see you again this summer.